Guys, my latest antenna just arrived today, FedEx. Only took about 3 or 4 days to get here from the UK, believe it or not. So this is a high-gain Silver-rod Venom 5/8 wave. When it's all put together, these pieces slide out of here. It's around 19 foot in length. It's got 3 ground planes on the bottom. This one runs, it'll operate from 26 to 28 megahertz, so it's good for skip shooting. I'm a skip shooter. I love talking DX. That's what it's all about for me. And this is a very light antenna. It'll hold about 1,000 watts. Not a problem. And the reviews I read on it are awesome. Back in the late 70s, I ran a high-gain eliminator, or a high-gain super penetrator 500 Omni golden penetrator, and omnidirectional. Worked really well on the skip. I also ran a quad for many years too, an eliminator 2, full quad, high-gain quad up on a tower. And I've had other beams, but that one was a really good one. So I like high-gain antennas. So stay tuned for an update on this baby. Apparently easy to tune as well. We'll put her up on the roof when I can get up on our metal roof when the weather's a bit drier. Right now it's a little too slick up on the metal roof. So stay tuned for an update on the skip shooting. We'll see how we get out with this high-gain Silver-rod 5/8 wave. Thanks for watching. Cheers.